Hello guys, today I'm just going to describe about the ideology of Pakistan. Let me define about the ideology. Ideology is a combination of two Greek words. Ideo means ideas, and logos means science. So when we are going to combine these two words, it will take as ideology, which means science of ideas. Ideology of Pakistan is one of the basic thing that we have just got our country, and the name of the Pakistan was at the horizon of the world. I can say that ideology is a set of belief, set of objectives, and set of plan, whatever are in your mind. For example, if you are engineer and you want to just invent something, you want to just discover something, you want to just prepare or make something, so there are plan in your mind, and these plan are known as the ideology. For example, as an educationist, as a teacher, I want to establish a college or a school. So I would like to just see the plan of the college, where I should have to just establish such college. I would like to see the study location, the importance of the education and environment of the people, whether they are giving the preference to the education. The population I will use to see about the creation of my college or establishment of my college. So ideology is one of the things that are the set of the idea, set of the belief, set of the goals you are just having. So if I say about the ideology of Pakistan is so big. When I say about the ideology Pakistan, Jinnah has described about the ideology of Pakistan. Rightly said, when the first Muslim was born in the subcontinent, ideology of Pakistan was started. So this was one of the philosophy. It means that we are two nations by the religion. Hindus and Muslim are two nations by the religion as well. So it is the philosophy of the Qaid-e-Azam that when first a Muslim was born in the subcontinent, so the ideology of Pakistan was started. But literally or historically, when we say about the ideology of Pakistan, the ideology or two nation theory is widely accepted, given by the Ibn Khaldun when he was invited by Mahmud Ghaznavi in 10,000, that 1000, he came into the subcontinent and written a book on a topic of Tarikh-e-Hind. So in this book he described the society, he described the culture, the way of living, standard of life of the Hindus and Muslim, and clearly he has defined there the Muslims and Hindus are two nations, and they are different by the culture, different by the religion, and different by the concept as well. Because what the Muslims eat, it is unable to eat by the Hindus, just like he was describing about the cow. And when he say our worship is also changed, Hindus are going to worship to the idols and they are going to the mandir, and Muslims are going to worship to Almighty Allah. So by the religion they are changed, and by the language he has described as well that the language is also changed. The Hindus are speaking Hindi and Muslims are speaking Urdu as well. So this is one of the philosophy he has just given about the ideology of Pakistan. But after that we witness about the Sir Syed Iman Khan. He was one of the person who was in the favor of unity of Hindu Muslim. But after that, what happened in 1867, when the controversy started between the language of Hindu Muslims, especially Hindi and Urdu, then he decided to just state that Hindus and Muslims are separate. So this is one of the philosophy behind the ideology of Pakistan, given by the Sir Syed Iman Khan. But after that, way back when we say about the Allahabad speech of the Iqbal, that he has just clarified that Muslims and Hindus are two separate nations, and he demanded that Sindh, NWFP, Punjab, Bengal, and the Muslims part should be amalgamated in a single state. So this is one of the philosophical approach of the Allama Iqbal that has given the ideology of Pakistan. But after that, we see about the Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. He has just published a pamphlet in England especially at the Cambridge University, that he has clearly defined about the word Pakistan. So this was the last blow that has just created another nation. The word Pakistan, the philosophy of Pakistan, the philosophy of two nation theory. So these ideology was presented by the politicians, presented by the great leaders of the nations. So this is what we have just got the ideology of Pakistan. So like we say about the ideology, everybody has a specific aim of life. To achieve the aim, a set of idea providing guidance. This is what is known as the ideology. So ideology is a set of belief, ideas and values. So when you want to achieve such ideology, you must set the aim of the life, set to achieve the aim of the life. So without having such of the ideas, you cannot just achieve your goal of the life. So what we believe about the ideology of Pakistan, I can quote here. So there are the triangle ideologies which has maintained such activities to just create Pakistan. Number one, that the Muslim leaders, especially if we say about the All India Muslim League, so this was one of the platform utilized by the Pakistanis, by the nations of the Pakistan. So like I say about the religious ideology which deals to establish a social and living system in the light of basic principle of religion. This was one of the basic root policy which created by the Muslims. And if you want to create any kind of the emotions in the nation, you must instill them the religious activism. So this was one of the thing that the leaders of the All India Muslim League, they have just given the emotional ideas regarding their religion, and they have just make awareness to the nation, especially the Muslims, that our religion is changed. If we will not awake now, if we will not rise up now, our religion is in a danger mood. So we should have to just be united, and in accordance with the religion, we should have to just create another state, and that can be known as the state or the country or the area for the Muslim. So they have instilled the idea of the Islam, idea of the religion in among the people, that they have chanted a slogan for the Pakistan. Number two, they have created the political ideology which deals to establish a specific political system for the followers of that ideology. So when they have used such activities, like we know about the Congress, it was established in 1885, that Muslims, they have realized that we should have a political party that can provide a platform, and we can just demand the rights for the Muslims. Hence they have started to just create a political party for the Muslim. You know about the 1906 All India Muslim League was created, but you see about the Congress, it was way back, means 20 years later we have just created the All India Muslim League. So it was all struggle of the Muslims, especially Sir Syed Aman Khan, Waqar al-Mulk, Mohsen al-Mulk, Sir Agha Khan, and Ali brothers. So many people, the students of the Aligarh College, school and university. So these were the people, they have just used such activities. They have decided there should be a political platform for the people. So it's clearly that All India Muslim League provided a political platform for the ideology of Pakistan. Number next, when we say about the triangle ideology, the kinds of the third, it is the economic ideology. Economic ideology is deals with the solve of financial problems of the nation. So like we say about the capitalist economy, mixed economy, communist economy. So these things are the ideas created by the Muslims to the people, that we need money to run the political affairs, to run the political party. So they demand the chanda, and they demand the, we can say, the money from the landlords, from the rich people, businessmen, and they have given for the political party or India Muslim League. But the question is that why the people will give you the chanda, why the people will give you the money to just maintain your political party. This was one of the awareness created by the Muslims to the Muslims, that we need political platform where from we can just demand, and if once we have achieved the nation, surely our economical position will rise up. So economical ideology they have just given to the nation, and the nation they have supported them, and it was one of the greatest ideology given by the Jinnah and other leaders, that the Muslim League has just made a platform and they started to demand the rights. And before the political party, the Britisher they were unable, they were not giving the preference to the Muslims to just listen about. But once the All India Muslim League was created, they have realized, the British they have realized that Muslim have political party, so we all should have to listen the Muslims. So this is one of the thing that they have created All India Muslim League, and this was all the philosophy behind it. So like I say about the ideology, that this was one of the thing, it was created ideology for the Pakistan. So every nation has specific goals. To achieve the national goal, there is need of ideology that lead the people of the nation in right direction. So to achieve the struggle, to achieve the goals, ideology proves helpful. How we can just prove helpful the ideology means ideology pursued a nation towards purposeful life. So this was one of the ideology, religious, political, and economical, that pursued the nation towards to be one of the nation that you must be ready to just create a nation. Ideology keeps people of society united. This is one of the element or the significance that how we can just use. So for the purpose of unity of the Muslim, the ideology keeps society. So by the culture we were together, all Muslims were equal, all Muslims were same by the culture. So this was one of the thing, the unity created there. And ideology nation face no problem. Like when you have one ideology, when you are united, you cannot face any kind of the problem. Is united we stand, divided we fall. So ideology plays vital role in the national identity. It discriminates a nation from others. So this was one of the philosophy of the ideological aim that created the Pakistan. So like we say that after the creation of Pakistan, we believe about this was all struggle of the Muslims and the nation that have just pondered the ideas and instilled all these things in the mind of the people, and hence we have just created the Pakistan. So in the last, that the Pakistan, we believe about the Pakistan, the elements of the Pakistan ideology. Pakistan is based on the religious ideology and political ideology as well. So when we say about the religious ideology, Pakistan's elements are Kalma Tawheed. It means Tawheed. Tawheed means Allah is one, who alone is creator and Lord of everything. The base of ideology of Pakistan is Tawheed, and according to Jinnah, that Tawheed was one of the major things which united us, and Muslims were only following the unity of the nation. And after that, brotherhood is another, we can say, the type which describe the social activities, the Islamic socialism that has done everything to just create the Pakistan. So we followed the brotherhood to just create the Pakistan. So that's all about.